Hey y'all, so I'm about to refeng shui my home office, so I thought it would be fun to film it for you guys. So right now on my back wall I have my desk and kind of my pageant accolades. I'm actually wanting to move my desk over here in front of my window for some natural light. Eventually I'm going to get a convertible like futon sofa bed couch in here that'll go on this wall that you can't see, just so I have a sitting area in my office when I have clients, and also for guests when we do have guests over. This room used to be an entire guest room, but then we found out that we don't have a lot of guests and we don't really like when people come visit. We're very homebodies. So then we sold the bedroom set that was in here, and I am in process of kind of like making it a home office for all of the projects that I have, and just so that I can have like a quiet workspace here at home. I am the type of person I have to have like designated workspace. Corey is better at like multitasking and he can pretty much work anywhere, but I have to have like space. Eventually when we have babies, this will also double as like the nursery, you know, before we decide to buy a house and everything. We've already decided that we want to rent for as long as possible, just because there's so many fees that come with homeownership. But anyway, that's all. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so now my desk is done. I'm fairly happy with the way that it is. It's not centered because I have an outlet on the side. Now I just have to figure out what I'm going to do with my pageant display case and my little silhouette girlfriend over here where my sashes are displayed. So let's see.